So halftime has come and it's gone. I was just thinking about the different things I normally do, and I would have been going to Kenya every February, and it was just taken for granted that at halftime I would be going to do the mission work that we normally get on with. And I'm sure you also had your own things that you assumed would happen just for granted, but that hasn't happened. We are now still in lockdown. And the latest is that we're going to be in lockdown until at least the 22nd, as far as schools are concerned, the 22nd of March. So, what do you do while you're waiting? Well, I think there's no need to change what we're doing. We work harder, we keep focused because this is going to come to an end. And you don't want it to come to an end, and when you look back, you just regret. You want to make sure that when you look back, you think, yeah, it was difficult, but I did the best I could. I just still want to remind you, some of you have been asking, when are we choosing our subjects? Well, there's still time. There's still time. It's not been forgotten. We've talked about it several times, but don't worry about that. We will choose the subjects and we'll get you all the information out. In the meantime, some heads of departments are sending work to you, sending information. Read through that, especially when it comes to choosing like sciences, double award, single award. Read so that you understand what it's all about. In due course, we will give you further guidance. What's the best way to make sure that you get into the subjects that you want to? Well, always do your best in that subject. And that means then by the end, whenever the selection is being done, you cannot be stopped from doing the subject because you've done very well over the years. So now, when the sun is coming out, now and again, we're past that little freezing moment. There may come a few days which may be very cold and wet, but there are good days and bright days coming up. Use them, get out after you break, during your break between Zooms and other classes, or after your lessons in the evening. Get yourself exercised well and allow your mind to relax and to settle. Be helpful to others, check in on people, keep checking on your friends, and the meetings that your tutors are organizing, make sure you do attend them. They're very, very important. The tutors do let me know how you're getting on and how things are for you. So keep going, keep moving, let's keep working. These days are going to come to an end. We'll be facing days that are close to what normality is. We'll be selecting our subjects and we'll be thinking about GCSE. I'm sure at some time back you thought GCSEs are way out there. They're going to begin very soon. In year 11, you'll start doing some of the modules. So well done for coming this far and working hard this far, and let's just brace ourselves and get through this little time left before lockdown is over. Thank you very much and take care.